Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into your Google account. That step ensures your background persists across devices. Once signed in, open Google. In a browser you trust, Chrome is simplest because of sync. Make sure you can see the gear icon or the settings link on the main search page. Now click that icon to reveal personalization options. This first click starts the process and loads background choices, so you can replace the default white page quickly and move to the next step. Once the personalization panel opens, choose between built-in themes or upload an image from your device. You should pick JPG or PNG files and aim for under 5 MB so the background loads fast. If you care about framing, crop to a 16:9 ratio. That prevents awkward cropping on different screens. Preview the result to check contrast with search text. If text becomes hard to read, adjust position or pick a subtler image. When satisfied, confirm the selection to apply it. To complete the change, click Done or Save and wait a few seconds for Google to apply and sync the new background. If you don't see it immediately, make sure your browser cache is cleared and reload the page. Sometimes an old cached style sheet blocks updates. If that fails, sign out and sign back in, or disable extensions that modify page appearance. They commonly interfere. Finally, try another browser to isolate the problem. This narrows down whether it's account, browser, or extension related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.